Welcome back once again to GPAT Mentor. And yes, GPAT Mentor is back with the most awaited video of the year. That is the placement series of M.Pharm student at IIT BHU. And today we have as a guest, the first interview is of Abhijeet Singh, who has got a package of 9 lakh INR for Lumas, a startup company in Bangalore. Abhijeet Singh, welcome to the channel.
Thank you for having me.
Please introduce yourself to the viewers of GPAT Mentor YouTube channel.
Okay, so myself Abhijeet Singh, and I have done my bachelor's from Pharmaceutical University, Bareilly, and right now I'm doing my master's in pharmacology under the supervision of Dr. Jairam Meena, and it's a wonderful lab to join, which is heavily working on the immunotherapeutics and engineering in regards to nanoparticles and vaccine development.
Abhijeet, congratulations on your placement. Would you like to define what kind of job role you have been offered in a particular company that you have been placed, even being a master in pharmacology?
Yeah, so the job role I was given is the technical lead in robotic production platform, and I don't know much about it because it's a very new role which I am very came across, and definitely I will hope to get more of it when I will be joining the company in next month.
Robotics and IIT goes hand in hand. There is robotics club. I know you have been part of robotics club at IIT BHU. So would you like to tell what was the selection procedure, and would you like to tell how the whole interview session, the online interview or the offline process was there? Yeah. So there was offline and then there was online. So if there was online, then online. So what was the online and offline?
Okay, so basically this company came through the training placement office of the IIT BHU, and it definitely took 2 rounds of interviews. But before having the 2 rounds, we came across the aptitude round, which was highly competitive alongside the BTech level, because we are in the MPharm. That was making a difference in it. But after the aptitude level, there was 2 rounds of interviews, which was highly technical in nature. And the first round was of more about the project, and some questions were technical, but the second round was purely technical about the how to work in the problem solving ability.
Abhijeet, as you said that there were 2 different rounds, technical and HR, and technical and more technical rounds were there for this particular company. So during the interview process, was there some question that was completely out of the box, that was somewhere out of the syllabus that stuck to you by the HR or the technical leads that were doing the interview? If there was some such kind of question, please let us know.
Okay, yeah, definitely. So as we are from the pharma background and I'm doing my specialization in pharmacology, I was expecting the questions to be asked from the my branch and the subject which I'm studying, but they asked me to solve the if you having a delay in the product development, then how will you handle that situations? Like it was more of a case-based studies problems.
More like those were the practical questions that they asked us about, the practicality of the questions. They were asking the practical questions out there, right?
Yes.
So other than this, how has your life been out here at IIT BHU, and what is the lab life and the sleep cycle? That is my go-through question to every candidate at the masters. Definitely I'm not going to touch some PhD guy. His sleep schedule is definitely wrecked. I know, trust me.
Okay, so regarding the sleep schedule, which I am very strict towards it, because I like to sleep early and wake up early, but I don't wake up that much early in order to see the darkness around me. I wake up around 7 a.m. So regarding the environment in the lab is very happy and very fruitful. Like they are very helping in nature, the PhDs and all. They are very humble, very helpful, and very cooperative in regard to the work. And also the afterlife of the lab is also tremendously good. We go to different places to have a dinner together, and definitely we have a talk about it, and it's a very wonderful environment to be in.
Let me ask some out of the box questions for you. Abhijeet, what are the good snacks that you have eaten around the whole Banaras, I could say? Some good snacks that you can name out here. We are talking about good snacks, you know.
Okay, so my GPAT mentor is a very good friend of mine, and definitely we used to go to eat kachori of क्या नाम है उसका?
Govind Sweets.
Govind. Okay, so the GPAT mentor is here, and he's a very good friend of mine. So, and definitely we go together for the various places for the snacks, and the Govind Sweets is one of the stop where we eat the kachoris, and there's a very delicious thing which we have found out in the Banaras.
Would you like to suggest a particular sweet shop for kachoris other than Sri Ram Bhandar that is famous all around in Banaras? I would like you guys to go to Govind Sweets.
Yeah.
That's near the Banaras city station. Okay. So if you're coming here for exam, if you're coming here for interview, rather than going to Sri Ram Bhandar, I would like you guys to go to Govind Sweets. The kachori sabji are available from morning 6 a.m. to somewhere around 10 to 11 a.m. in the morning every day. Okay, so moving with the another question in the interview. So what would be the one advice that you would like to give to the GPAT aspirants as well, and one advice for the job seekers around in respect to LinkedIn and the campus placement, both?
Okay. So for the GPAT aspirants, I would say like work hard, and definitely you will get the institute which you wanted, and please take care of your health also. And for the job seekers, I would like to say that definitely it's a very big issue in the placements regarding the jobs, and definitely if you join the IIT BHU and hypers, then that the road is very smooth towards the placement. So if you are very hardworking and diligent around, then you will definitely land a job, and that will not be an issue in regards to the various high institutes which includes the IIT BHU and NIPERS. And please take care of your health. That's the most important thing.
Actually, Abhijeet takes care of his health by sleeping as early as 11 p.m. in the night. Before the midnight, the man sleeps and wakes up around 6 to 7 a.m. So if you have to catch a bus, it was good. If you have to catch a train, Abhijeet was there. We would tell him that please wake us up. We would go to catch the bus, and definitely he has been a good friend to me too. And some more questions that I have wrote for him. So let's say you said that you are the robotics team lead for the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products out there at that Lumas. So to be honest, what are you gonna do there? Are you gonna see the robots manufacturing the tablets, or are you gonna let you do the manufacturing and robots see you so that they can learn from you the ML, AI, algorithm, whatever? Those are out of our syllabus, but still IIT BHU rocks. Lumas, let's go.
Okay, so definitely I don't know what I will do with over there, but the role which I've assigned is the technical lead in robotic production platform, which is highly different from the courses which I've studied here and over the past in my 4 years of bachelor's. But I'm hoping that I will be working with an engineering team in regards to the production of the various pharmaceutical products.
So Abhijeet, we kind of missed the LinkedIn question. So how does the job seeker and LinkedIn connects to each other?
LinkedIn, as you know, is a very good platform for the job seekers, especially in the Southeast Asia and in our India. So there are various advertisements in regards to the job, but I have seen like everyone who's interested in the job just write it down in the post, like I'm interested. But I don't think that it's a very efficient way to land a job, because it definitely shows your hurriness and very like you are not ready for a specific role, because you are commenting on every post. But because of thinking of this only, I haven't read the LinkedIn much, and I was heavily relied on the TP of the IIT BHU.
Definitely you are not in the core of the pharmaceutical, but you are in the core of pharmaceutical along with the robots alongside you. Yes. I guess you would be playing with the robots after some time. Yes. So guys, it was a good interview with Abhijeet. So I would like to conclude with a very important question. Yes. What is your favorite web series? Okay, though I know the answer, but I would like him to tell to the viewers.
Okay, so the favorite web series I would like to recommend, like Ted Lasso, which is available on Apple TV, and it's a very good series in regards that why do you need friends and how they help you to get out of the dark phase of your life.
Definitely, you could not understand the psychological trap that you are getting out of Abhijeet. Apple TV, you know, You got to be good. Your money should be busted out of your pockets if you want to watch that. And definitely you can text him on Telegram if you want the series again, but you won't get the link of his Telegram account. Definitely, I'm sure of that. But seriously, guys, it was good talking to you, Abhijeet. It was a fantastic interview. Hoping best for your future. But let's go with Rock. Like, share, and subscribe.
The
GPAT
GPAT Mentor.
Mentor.